Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening the case. Pry a snap back or remove tiny screws. Use a thin case knife or jeweler's screwdriver. Once open, you'll see the battery and its stamped code. Read the number such as 364 or 377 so you get the exact 3V replacement. Make sure to work on a soft cloth to avoid scratches and collect screws in a tray. Keep the crown position noted. This ensures timekeeping stays correct when you reassemble the watch. Now remove the old cell by carefully releasing the retaining clip. Lift or unscrew only as needed. Once the clip is loose, use non-metallic tweezers or an insulated plastic tool to lift the cell straight up. Avoid prying on nearby gears. Observe the contact springs and their orientation so you can recreate exact contact. If you see corrosion or bent contacts, straighten gently with a toothpick or replace the spring. This preserves reliable electrical contact. Place the new 3V cell in the same orientation as the old one. Make sure the positive sign faces up if that was the original position. Press the retaining clip back in so it sits flush, then gently set the case back and fasten screws or snap it closed. Once assembled, check that the seconds hand is moving and set the time via the crown. If it doesn't run, reopen and verify contact springs and battery number. If uncertain, consult a watchmaker to avoid damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.